rather fresh and brisky July afternoon here in Berlin. Coming up now, it's the gold medal match in the recurve mixed team event, shooting over 70 meters. The last action in Berlin. Here's how the teams got to this stage. The Koreans coming through the top of the order, shooting a 13.03 in the ranking round, ranked first, beating Turkey in the quarterfinals before taking out India. Moldova are represented by the very strong Alexandra Mirca and Dan Olaru, shot a 12.19 to be ranked 19th in the ranking round. They beat Germany and then Italy to make it through to the final here in Berlin. Well, the coaches and the referees are out. It's time to go back down to the range to welcome out the athletes.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the athletes to the field for the mixed team gold medal match.
Well, here come Moldova in the shape of Alexandra Mirca and Dan Olaru. They're known to be a very strong pairing, but you don't often get to say Moldova going for gold. For those of you that don't know much about the country, it's a republic, the Republic of Moldova. It's a landlocked country in Eastern Europe, bordered on one side by Romania and then on the other three sides by Ukraine.
Yeah, Moldova's definitely the surprise out here, but they fought hard to get here. They won 6-2, 6-0. They definitely show that they're going to be a strong opponent for this Korean team.
But they need to be strong. Anytime you say Korea are the opponents, it's always going to be a tough ask. An San, the 18-year-old, pairing up with Oh Jin Hyek, the 37-year-old. Different ends of the Korean spectrum in the squad.
That's for sure.
Potential superstar in the making, An San. Oh Jin Hyek, well, he's got Olympic medals, gold and bronze. Ranked 49th in the world, currently sitting in the Korean B team, but still a power on the world stage.
Yeah, I think everyone is expecting Korea to blow out this out, winning 6-0, but I really expect Moldova to give them a run for their money here.
Well, the great thing is that Berlin has offered a surprise in almost every single match throughout the weekend here. And as you said, Crystal, the wind conditions in the qualification period also threw up some strange scores and strange results. But this is for gold. Korea shooting on target 1 will get us underway here for the last action on Recurve Sunday.
She starts with a 9. That's a solid start. She'll be able to give feedback where she was aiming to her teammate O.
Well, having to redraw. Was that replacing the arrow there?
Yeah, it looked like the arrow just probably fell off the rest.
So time pressure potentially, but they're still inside the half of the regulation time provided for the athletes, as O just makes a couple of adjustments to his sight.
Yeah, they're both pretty quick shooters, so should not be a problem with 40 seconds on the clock.
Very quick from Mirca there.
So they're calling it a 9, looks like. And it looks like now it's showing up an 8-star, so we'll have to wait till the measurement comes in from the judge.
O with Korea's final arrow. Could put this out of reach provisionally, but he puts it on the 8-9 line. Right, so a perfect score for Moldova here, and they're definitely going to share the points. If that 8 gets marked up to a 9, they could have a two-set point lead.
Exactly. Assuming they put 2 10s down there.
Хорошо, 9 на 10.
So 9's not what they wanted.
Yeah, now they need that measure to go in their favour, just to tie up on points, and that with Olaru requiring a 10. He puts it in the 9.
So that arrow now does not matter. Korea wins this 2 set points, regardless of if that's an 8 or a 9.
Я, думаешь, вижу сюда. Она воткнулась там еще так. Сейчас ждем.
Aufgewertet wird. Korea wird 2 Satzpunkte hier erstmal mitnehmen in diesem Match um Gold. Beide Teams haben übrigens noch nie gegeneinander geschossen. Also, das bleibt eine spannende Kiste hier.
Well, coach
Вы
very clear
начинаете. Алло, ты куда пошла, блин?
Moldawien,
with her instructions, staying very calm as well.
Включилась.
It'd be especially clear if you understood Russian. But she seems to put a smile on her athletes' faces. By contrast, silence on the Korean side of the shooting line.
Yeah, you never see much talking between the Korean team when they're out there shooting in the finals field. The coach will give some words, but only what's necessary. No real extra. So it's confirmed it was an 8.
Yeah, but as you said, makes no difference. The set points go to Korea. Moldova trailing after the first set will shoot first in the second.
And again, team round, we go to a total of 5 set points, gets you the win.
Well, he's got his bins out. Same as me, can't see 70 metres down the range.
на 2.
And up into the 8 is not the start that Alexandra Mirca would have wanted.
A solid 10 by her teammate.
Yeah, I often mention about no fuss, no nonsense draw. Dan Olaru is in his draw before the camera can get onto him.
So feel the wind picking up a little bit out here.
Certainly can, but not affecting Ann San.
She's just had an incredible week, shooting solidly consistent all week long.
Bit of a movement there after the release, and yet again adjusting his sight. So all level in this second set. Mirca needs a better second arrow.
That looked like a much better shot and puts it in the X-ring.
Well, super fast into the draw the first time. Still has 20 seconds left, but he pulled out of that one. Wind?
No, I'm guessing something didn't feel right. He's going to reset. 12 seconds. Plenty of time as quick as his shot is. And a solid 9. So good recovery there.
Oh, I'd love to know what they were saying there. He didn't panic, though. That's the key thing.
Exactly. Archers at this level know when they're setting it up, if something doesn't feel right, you got to let it down and just start from the beginning.
Opportunity here for O and Anne. A 9 to share the set points, a 10 to go 4-0 up.
10 it is.
Wow.
38, 37.
Right, so normally, once the Koreans start dialing in, you have to start worrying if you're the opponent. But we're in Berlin, Crystal, and anything seems to happen here.
Yeah, we've seen some crazy stuff, and we've seen Koreans shooting in the red after they were dialed in. So this next set could be pretty interesting.
Well, the Koreans getting better and better. And we have a look at how they matched up in that set. The Koreans in yellow, the Moldovans in red.
Yeah, we see a nice diagonal line from the top to the bottom of the target. So my guess is there is a little bit of wind playing for both teams. We see it. But ultimately, Korea more consistent, putting arrows in the 10 ring.
Well, here it was a difficult start for Alexandra. Mirca shooting an 8, but the recovery is what it's all about in archery, and she comes back with an X. Super stuff from the Moldovan. She'll shoot first at the start of the third set.
And great X to start this end. That's what they need. Put the pressure on Korea.
A bit of a wobble there after he released, but into the 10 for Olaru.
I'd really like to know how much weight he's pulling. It looks super light when he draws that bow. Almost looks like he's shooting a toy bow or something.
A maximum set by Moldova.
And what did we say? Korea in the red.
Incredible.
So O's going to want to put this right down the middle.
9.
Just off. Not what they wanted here. So that gives a 3-point advantage to Moldova heading into the final 2 arrows of this set.
Massive opportunity here. A huge opportunity. 38 in total will be enough. 2 9s will do it. It's a 10.
Oh, beautiful. What a group they have down there.
Well, you talked about the weight of Olaru's bow. There it is, and you can see it's just an easy pull back, but look at the muscles in that back arm.
For sure. And he lets down again, 16 seconds this time, so definitely had less time. He couldn't pause. He really had to just pick it back up. And an 8.
It gets the 8 that was required to secure the points in the third set. And I'm wondering if it's something down at the end of the range that's distracting him.
I'm not sure. We do see the wind picking up here.
Well, these count for nothing other than rehearsal and practice for the next set. And another 8 from Anne. She's come right off the boil.
Yeah. Very surprising, but again, not surprising for today.
Oh, back into the center. So the first points on the board for Moldova. And boy, what a comeback they've made, capitalizing on 2 8s from Anne.
That was their statement. We're not going anywhere. We are fighting for this. We want to win.
Well, they needed a big score, and they got 3 10s. Mirca set things off in that set with an X, followed by Olaru. A second 10 for Mirca, and then the reset from Olaru, well, it pushed it into the 8 as time was running out, but that's all the Moldovans needed. They have closed the gap to just 2 points, but trail Korea 6-2 in this gold medal match.
In this fourth and final set, Moldova will go first. They have to win this set in order to win the match. Or to tie the match, sorry. Correction.
Yeah, to stay in it.
Exactly. A tie here will give the win to Korea. Because we just need 5 points in team round.
So we need a big marker put down, and it's Alexandra Mirca from Moldova who will shoot first.
She needs another start just like the third end.
Good on the vertical Same line as the last 2 arrows, but just a bit to the right and into the 9.
9 на 7.
9.
He follows that up with a 9. That's not the start that they wanted here.
Door open for the Koreans, but they only shot a 35 in the last set. And San, the 18-year-old, shooting 2-8 in that set. Back in the center, though.
Saw a little fist pump from her. She was pretty excited about that.
Another reset from O. That's his third of the match. Pulling that one. Looks like it's on the line. It's been marked as a 10. I wonder if that will go to a measure, though.
Moldova really needs to put 2 10s down here at this point.
9 на 2.
Another 9, though.
Unfortunately, I don't think that's going to do it.
Olaru with his last arrow into the 10, a 37 set. So room for maneuver here for Korea. O will want An San to put down a big score to take the pressure off him in the anchor role for Korea. Oh, a
That's how it's
lovely
done.
response. 30 out of 30 so far.
So 7 wins the match because that would tie this set, giving them 5 points.
Another reset from O, though. Inside 10 seconds. Nice and calm, releases it down the range. Shoots a 9, more than enough for Korea to take gold in the Recurve mixed team event here in Berlin.
Aus der Entfernung sieht das eindeutig aus. Wir warten natürlich, bis das Kampfgericht hier
Well, look, it wasn't the same as always. Korea styling in and then just staying there and blasting through to the gold medal match. They had a blip in that third set.
They did, and really take nothing from Moldova. They had some great ends. Lose with a 37, 2 different ends. That's some great shooting by them.